Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Maths Tutor. Today we're gonna talk 3 amazing ways to describe a set. Let's dive in. Set description methods. Sets can be described in 3 ways. The first way is verbal method, the second way is listing method, and the last way is set builder method. The first way is called the verbal method or statement form. What is verbal method or statement form mean? Here, we simply describe the elements of a set using a sentence. For example, this set is English vowels and we write it in verbal method like this. Set A is the set of all vowels in the English alphabet. And we don't write the elements directly. When the questions say verbal method, we describe them in word. The second method is the listing method or roster form. What does that mean? Here, we write each element inside curly brackets and separated by commas. And listing method has 2 classes. The first class is complete listing method and the second class is partial listing method. What is complete listing method? If we can list all elements, it is a complete listing method. Example, set B is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. This is the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So we can list all elements. It is a complete listing method. The second class is partial listing method. What is partial listing method? The set has too many or infinite elements. We use partial listing with dots. Example, set C is 2, 4, 6, 8, and dot, dot, dot. This represents all even numbers continuing forever. So it is partial listing method. The last method is the set builder method. What is set builder method mean? Here, we define the property of the elements instead of listing them. It is greater when we deal with infinite or complex sets. Example, set D is X. X is an even number between 1 and 10. This means D is the set of all X such that X is even and lies between 1 and 10. So now finish today's lesson, set description methods. Now quick recap of what we learned. Let's quickly review. Verbal method, describe in word. Listing method, write elements in curly brackets. Set builder method, define a property with a condition. Nice. And the last question is for you. Say 2, 3, 4, 6, dot, 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 99. Which type of listing method is this? A. Complete, B. Partial, C. Set builder. Answer it in the comment section below. And if you want questions about this topic, you can find it on the social media link in the description. And if this helped you understand set description methods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching Best Math Tutor. Keep learning, keep growing.